Hello everyone. So in previous video we understood the difference between the Git and other SVNs. In this video we will start with the Git working repository. So what is Git working repository? Git working repository is something that is under observation of Git. That means the changes occur in the Git working repository. The Git will track down those changes. So let's begin. First of all, in whatever repository you are working, right, we need to do git bash here. Can you do it from the terminal? Yes, you can do it from the terminal, but I would suggest as a beginner, try to use the git bash. Okay, so here we have the git bash. Where we are in desktop git learning, this repository. Let me do ls. See, nothing is here. Now, to make the git, this repository, a working git repository, I will do git in it. Now here if you see a main came, this is our main branch. What is branches? No need to worry right now, but this indicates that now this is my git working repository. Okay, and here we got .git folder, though this is the hidden folder, but in views I selected on hidden items also, therefore I can see it. Now what I will do, I will create one file. Okay, so let's first see the git status. Git status, please remember this command, git status. So no commits yet, nothing to commit, that means there is no changes. Let me create one file here. New, let's say text document txt1, let's say. Now if I do git status, I can see git is tracking the creation of this file. Okay, git is tracking it. What if I create one more repository or folder in it? Let's say f1. Okay, now let's say the git status folder is not showing. Reason, git tracks only files, not folders. Folder is just a cover for the files. Folder is just a cover for the files. Hence git only track files, git don't track folders. If I have more folders here, let me create one more folder here, like inner f1, and if I do git status, it won't show. But in inner folder, if I create one file, let's say text file txt2, and now if I do git status, you can see there are some changes in f1. So it is showing f1 now, it is showing f1 now. Okay, so I hope you got an idea how git tracks the things. Now let's go to f1, and now let's do git status. Here it is showing outside there is some txt, and inside there is one file. Let me do ls here, and let me do cd inner f1. If I do here git status, it will show me here there is some changes, and here there is some file that has not been tracked. Okay, I would say don't do like in it git inside the git repository. So Here we already, this repository has been tracked by this outer repository. Have Git, so Git will stop tracking. So it is highly advisable, don't do it. Okay, it is highly advisable. If I do cd dash cd dash, and if I do now git status, now git is tracking. Now same file is getting tracked twice, one by outer git and one by inner git. So it is just a duplication. Okay, it is just a duplication and it can create the complication in future. So it is highly advisable, don't create or don't make inner repository as a separate git repository. So if you want to like delete, or if you want that my current repository shouldn't be under observation of git, I just need to do this, delete this git file. Once if I delete this git file, now this repository is not under observation, it is telling no git repository. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of repositories and you learned two very important commands, that is git init and git status. Okay, and if you see here main is also gone, that means there is now no git repository here. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video we will see different stages of git, what is working repository, what is staging area, what is commit repository. Okay, and we will learn to do commits. Now it is tracking, but I want to make the commits, I want to make the snapshot so that I can maintain the history, correct? That is the entire purpose of git. So from next lecture onward we will learn exactly that. So that's it for this video, see you in the next one. Till then, bye.